how to survive accountancy?
How to survive accountancy kay guys, diligently study lang yun, practice, kuan pod kanang it's actually nice if as early as now, like first year pa mo, is ma-realize ninyo nga dili na mao iyang gusto kay it's really hard to pursue something nga dili nimo siya love or kanang wala gid kay lifelong dream to fulfill that kay ikaw ra mo struggle within yourself. Pero if kanang gusto bitaw gid nimo siya kanang reach that dream, then kanang mag-study ka diligently, pagkatulog ayaw bilar kay dili siya efficient for me kanang tagay nang di ka mga 2 hours lang imong tulog dahil may exam mas makalutang siya dayon lang gyud mas nice if mag-advance study ka dayon ay ka magsulod og klase kay anang atong instructors diha kay hilig magpa-pretest and mas nice gyud siya for your understanding pod kay kanang if na kay wala sa tansi mong gistudihan mangutan ka sa instructor. And also don't forget to breathe lang. Accountancy is really a kanang draining na course, so from time to time you really need to debrief yourself with your friends, with your classmates. Do not don't constrain yourself too much kanang na cycle kanang imong pagka-estudyante. Also kanang enjoy lang gyud
Ayan, salamat.